extending from near Buchanan to Mount Zion to near Graham, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Union, Douglasville, Carrollton, City of South Fulton, Villa Springs, Chattahoochee Hills, East Newnan, and Plant Eats. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.